The following chart illustrates the numbers of the Australian students, both men and women, who are studying engineering during 3 years. As we can see, in 1992, the numbers of the men's students are biggest than the women because they prefer this kind of careers. Then, in 2002, the men's students decreased sharply, besides the women's students rose up. On the other hand, in 2012, the number of men stayed in the same level, while the women increased sharply. In conclusion, during the last years, the women demand are increasing because they are more interested for the engineer careers.